All my life, I've told everyone that I'm gonna be famous. And all my life, people have told me that I can't. I don't listen to what other people say. If I did, I wouldn't be standing here right now. The key to life is to live life with no regrets. And that's why I stay in this whole city. 'Cause I think it's a f***ing zoo. I hate the traffic. I think the people are f***ing full of shit. But you know what this city gives me? It gives me f***ing hope. And that's why I don't leave. Because I have hope for a better day. And I stand here in front of you with Hollywood behind me, telling you that I'm Greek, telling you that I've come here to conquer, telling you that the Greek mystique has come here to conquer.